What color is your Dodge Charger?
Put my money on casino.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris back at it again. Hope that y'all doing good. Hope everything's good, you know, all that good stuff. Today is the day that my girl gets her car back, so we're gonna be picking that up. Ow, my neck hurts. I slept wrong. But yeah, we're getting my girl's car today, and I think we're tinting the tail lights for sure, because she did want to do that ever since she got the car. Or I told her to do it, but she didn't want to do it, but now she does. Look at that sexy thing right there. I told her to do it, but she didn't want to do it at first, and now she does. Woman. We are in the daily. The Honda. I'll see you in a bit. You excited to get your car? Let me clean it up. Let's go get your car. Come on. So we are here at East Bay Collision. Watch out for the bush.
Hey, if I don't fit through
Oh wait, hold up.
I'm too fat. I'm gonna try to get out.
Take your backpack off. Oops. Shit, man, go look at it. Go, look inside,
That's a nice diffuser. Hold up.
I don't know. I'm gonna show him real quick.
I didn't think that they put on diffuser.
No, I thought it was the stock diffuser. Maybe I just had to cancel the order.
Nah, I like that one. Wait, hold on. I want to see it.
Wait, I'm gonna ask him.
Wait, hold up. In the picture, it was no diffuser.
Wait, unless they put the fins.
You know what? That's probably true.
Wait, where'd he go? Did he say he was gonna go put gas?
I don't know.
Or get the holes drilled? Okay, we'll look at it more when he when he comes back. But damn, the car looks good. The car looks good.
You want to see if they ceramic coated?
I doubt it.
He said it's polished.
Well, he said he got it. They had to have polished it and they painted it.
Don't get Allstate.
Yeah, don't get Allstate.
You have Allstate. Shut up.
I'm a squish. No, wait, my agent's good.
It's not about the agent.
My agent is good.
It's not the agent.
My agent's good.
It's the company.
My agent is good. My agent's good.
I didn't realize my car was that loud.
Yeah, well, you haven't heard it in a while too, so.
Nah, I was like, I need more loud. But it's really loud.
You haven't heard it in a while. See? You got the same. You got the same. You got the same shoes too. What's up the kicks?
Shout out to TJ for the recommendation.
Oh yeah, TJ, the Mexican white boy.
Shout out to TJ.
The Mexican white boy.
I don't think I would have found a better body shop.
Yeah.
TJ knows.
They do a lot of quality stuff too, like hella like supercars, normal cars, real good work.
Hey, whoever installed my suspension needs to have a talk.
Hey, don't look at just me. It was Ondo too.
I'm looking at you too, Ondo.
Yeah. Hey, hold on, I'm catching up. Shout out to my guy Free. East Bay Collision. Tell him, what's the phone number? What's the phone number?
510-838-2999.
530-7351.
There you go. Damn. Dude, what diffuser is that?
I don't know. I just found one that was a good quality one. I found it for you. The other one, we found a couple, but when you put them in, they would break.
Dude, we just ordered a carbon fiber one because we thought it was the stock one. Because when you say her,
No, somebody installed that. I don't know who installed that. It wasn't stock. So I
Okay.
installed this one for you. This is the only other clean one that I saw that was similar to it. So.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Go up to the car, man. Go. Check out the inside. You said it was all clean. Let's see the inside.
Like new. We're gonna mission for today. We're taking off the fucking license plate mount.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. Babe, look at this. He got the. I know. He got the whole. Yeah, we gotta take that off. Damn. Wait. Oops. Dude, everything is so like. Oh. It's like nothing happened. Like all brand new. Dude. Look, your side markers. Oh, it's the new diffuser that he installed. Back.
There's a shelf right here.
Okay. Yeah, dude, that thing needs gas. Look at that. Wait. I think it's on. Let's go, come on.
Such a big car.
Wait.
Am I good?
Hold on. Wait. After this car. She crazy, baby. You crazy. You crazy, baby. You crazy. So yeah, that thing got no gas in it. So we about to go put some gas in that thing right now. Again, big thank you to Freed with East Bay Collision. Couldn't have asked for a better body shop to do it. So we'll see you at the gas station.
What do I want to drink? To eat? I don't know. I just want to drive.
You have to eat. So what do you want to eat?
Drive.
You see, guys, this is what happens when you ask your girl what they want to eat. You just don't know. And then when they tell you to pick, you pick it. They're like, no, I don't want that. You know that's true. Yeah, it is.
I don't know what I want to eat. I just want to drive.
You have to eat.
I want to drive. Chick-fil-A?
It's right here. Yeah.
I'm down.
All right. We get some Chick-fil-A. You're welcome.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's start this thing up.
Oh, you want me to start it?
Damn. I forgot how loud this car was. Hey, that's a clean GTR. Drive safe, bro. Alright, we better go grub on some Chick-fil-A.
You're a little too close to me.
I like to be close to you. We gotta get rid of this. Ay, wait.
It wasn't working because the key fob battery is low.
Ooh.
Hello, I am under the water. I need help.
Hemispherical, genospherical.
It does look good.
What do you guys think? Keep the plates. Take them off.
It looks good in the camera.
It does. Look, babe, imagine this was yellow.
We can paint it yellow.
We should.
We can paint it.
Or is that too much yellow? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have that
That looks good.
in a box.
All done.
I know, right?
Babe, come over here. Look.
It's the new model.
Just the D.
Was she going to get to
Wow.
That's why we're leaving it on, because you know it stays on her too.
Yeah. Oh, falls you around.
D for dumbass.
Damn. Damn.
Can I touch that? Ah!
You want to go in the car, Rose?
Hey! Babe, stop. It's not on yet, but shout out to CJ and his brand,
The man.
City of Demons.
He just sponsored us. My second sponsor, my first sponsor was Bucket Boys.
That's my
But-
second sponsor too.
Shout out to CJ, check him out below. I have my sponsors linked down below all the time. And
Have I told you about the tale of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
I mean, it won't like be 100%, but it'll look a lot
I was
better.
just gonna get that drawer.
Taillights tinted now.
Yeah, they do.
Nice.
Already
Courtesy
it's
of
an
this
auto-tone.
ugly fool and
What
this.
the f did you just
pretty
call
guy
me? You
right
f***ing piece of- Is this going on YouTube? You.
I put my money on casino.